Eric Burgess here. At a game store, a gamer spent $69.69. If $4.20 was spent on Tetris, what percent of their total at the store was spent on Tetris? Round to the nearest 1/10 of a percent. Alright, so a percent's really kind of a fancy way of saying a proportion. They're not exactly the same thing, but you can kind of think of them as the same thing. Meaning a percent is out of 100%, how much of it was spent on Tetris. So the bottom is all that was spent. All that was spent because that's going to be everything. That's 100%. So that's kind of what we think here. We think, well, this is like everything, and then the top is going to be the portion that was spent on Tetris. Part that was spent on Tetris. Part spent on Tetris. Fractions are how we get these percentages and proportions and things. So they're very, very handy things. And so we say, well, for this, well, that is simply the amount spent in total was $69.69. And on top, we spent $4.20 on Tetris. And it's kind of fancy. You can cancel the dollar signs out if you want. You don't really need to write the dollar signs. Just make sure you get your numbers correct. So we say, well, this is just division. So we're going to turn this on. And we say, well, $4.20, 4.2. And then we're going to divide by $69.69. And we're going to get this number, 0.0602669, if we round way back there. Okay, so this is not a percentage yet, just to be very clear, not a percentage. Okay, we still need to turn it into a percentage. To do so, we multiply by 100 because there's 100%. So if we multiply this by 100, we find the percentage. So if we multiply by 100, we will get it. And it is 6 and they said round to the nearest 1/10 of a percent. So we don't want to round this one because this isn't a percent. This is just a decimal. This is the percent. So we say, well, the 10th is right here. So it's a 0. And the number, so the 2 is going to decide how we round the 0, if we go up or leave it alone. Well, the 2 is less than 5. It's 4. 4 and below means leave it alone. And so here we say, well, the 0 stays a 0. So it'll be 6.0. And you need to write the 0.0 to show that you rounded it. This is not the same thing as just saying regular old 6. If you say regular old 6, it's like you're saying that you rounded to the nearest whole number. This 0.0 shows that you are claiming more accuracy. So this is our percentage. So we write a percentage sign next to it to show that it's a percentage. So that's how you would do this. So you'd simply do this. So this is our proportion. Proportion. This is the decimal, and then by multiplying by 100, we get a percentage. And that's how you do that. If you have any questions about this, let me know. I would be happy to help you. If you're a Citrus College student, stop by online tutoring. That would be great. And we'll catch you in the next problem.